My name is Carlos Ugalde. I drove from Palm Beach County from Wellington, Florida. It's about an hour and a half away from here. I own a 2023 Lexus LC500 convertible. I've owned it for about 2 months now, and it's caviar in color. I bought a full 5-piece body kit from NIA Body Kits in caviar to match the color of the vehicle. And the reason I did it is because their quality is top notch. There's nothing else comparable to it, and they're local. For me, at least, even though it's an hour and a half away, they're still local for me, considering that that you come here and talk to them and deal with them. I heard about NIA Body Kits on Instagram. I started looking at some of their reels, started looking at some of their different vehicles that they've installed kits on, and I was impressed by the quality. I gave them a call, spoke to them. Besides the quality, I think what sets them apart is their customer service, the ability to talk to them. They're customer friendly, they're super easy to deal with, and that sold me right there 100%. Based on my experience, I wouldn't say they met my expectations. I say they far exceeded them. Their customer service is top quality. Their ability to deal with you as an individual seems like they give you one-on-one customer service, customer care, unlike any other company I've ever dealt with.